Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your birth date in the Bershka app to get some discounts. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app. On the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Tap on the personal details and addresses, and here you can see add date of birth, and you can add your birth date and tap on OK on the right corner, and do the same on this page too. Tap on OK on the top right corner, and you added your birthday. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.